as it seems here, we just got word that Kanye is now having another child. Rumor has it that this one is going to be named South. What are your thoughts on this, Karen?
Well, Bill, you gotta love the names that come from this iconic star. First North, now South. Wow, he's a creative genius.
Hold on a second, Karen. I'm getting word from the producer that we have to abruptly end this topic to bring out another topic that has just now seemed to bring out some massive attention. We now cut you viewers off of us to show you a blinking screen of alert and caution.
Live on Channel 04 News, we have the case of the frantic snowpocalypse that has just swept through the city, leaving many in tragedy and loss of words. On the scene, we have Ollie Williams coming to us live.
What's going on down there, Ollie?
It's snowing.
As the cool machines that we have that can totally predict the weather tell us, there's a chance that the city will get a full 2 inches of snow.
That's crazy talk. That can do so much to affect how the city will function.
We go now to a woman that is said to be in a car driving home from work on a major highway. Sally, we have you on video down on the highway.
Bill, can you hear me?
Yes, loud and clear.
Oh my goodness, it's crazy down here, y'all. The snow's coming down like crazy. The roads are ridiculous. What if I get stuck here overnight? Am I gonna be trapped here forever?
Can't be that bad, Sally. How much snow do you see on the roads right now?
Oh, I'd say it's close to around an inch.
That sounds awful. I can't even imagine what you could possibly going through right now, Sally. We are just now getting word that there are even people that have their children still stuck in the schools with no way of getting out of there.
Oh no, those poor children. If only there was some way for them to be able to get out of those schools to go home.
I don't know what to do if I get stranded here.
That's all for now, world, but we will be keeping you informed on the story and how it progresses as the day goes on.
Well, I'm only down to one rose. This is the final of the season between Laura and Becca. I love them both. I can't decide. And to be my wife, I choose.
We interrupt this program to bring you live Channel 4 News with Bill and Karen. Hello, world. I am sorry to have you cut out your episodes of The Bachelor, but there has been some new information.
And we don't mean information about the stage show in which a group of women feel themselves falling madly in love with a stranger in only a couple weeks. We are talking about the tragedy that we are now facing down in the city of Atlanta.
It seems as though there have been multiple reports of a car being stuck on the freeways, not being able to make it through 1 inch of light snow and ice. The cars are all scattered on the road.
Want to see something funny, world?
LOL. It's a match. Our top supermarket meteorologists are now showing us their cool little machines that the snow and ice in the city will be staying for the next couple days.
Well, I guess it looks like ATL is going to be shut down for a little while, Karen.
Thank you for listening, world.
Next week, we again will trespass into the life of a new upcoming star in Hollywood.